So I have a really exciting and interesting project, which is to compare the 2021 GR Supra to the 2020 GR Supra. And I'm going to go through a whole bunch of evaluation and testing as an automotive engineer and show you some of the interesting differences between the two. There has been a lot of speculation as to exactly what was changed and what feels different about the new 21 version versus the 20. And I'm going to demystify them and show you one by one exactly what the differences are. So the first part of this is to show you the exhaust sound difference. There has been a lot of discussion about exactly what is the difference between the two. Let's take a look. The left side is the 2021 Supra and the right side is 2020 Supra. Let's see what the differences are in the sport mode. So as you can hear, there's substantial difference between the 2020 and the 2021 model in terms of exhaust sound, at least in the sport mode. The 2020 model has lots of crackles, pops, burble, farts, however you call it. It's a real amazing sound and you can really feel that it sounds like a sport exhaust. Whereas in 2021, the newer model, most of those crackles and pops are gone. There's a little bit of it, but even in sport mode, it's mostly gone and is negligible. Now, when you put both in non-sport mode or the regular mode, you actually can't really tell. They're both about the same. Neither of them have much pops and crackles. And even when you drive around town, there's not a whole lot of difference. So it's really up to you which you prefer. I think the new model has lost some of that edge. But who knows, some people like it quieter. So it's really up to you which one you think is the best. They are both amazing cars anyway, and sound of the exhaust is really a personal taste. I do definitely prefer the louder 2020 version, but then for many people, maybe the quieter version is more suitable. Both are great cars. Now, beyond the exhaust, I'm going to do more comparison, so please come back and watch some more.